Hi, I'm Peter Dirun, your emotion management coach. Today, I'd like to speak about your emotions and specifically why your emotions are important. Some people think that emotions are irrelevant and they poo poo it and they try to put it aside. Some go as far as trying to remove their emotions. They even ask me, how do I get rid of my anger, or how do I stop being sad? They feel that certain emotions is better removed from their life. But the fact is, every emotion is necessary and every emotion is good because they serve a particular purpose. Yes, every emotion. I know some people like to label emotions as positive emotions and negative emotions, but the fact is, an emotion is just an emotion. It is a natural response to certain things that happen in your life. It is a natural reaction to what you think, and therefore, certain emotions pop up. But the question is, why do I need these emotions? Why do these emotions pop up? What purpose do they serve? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, every emotion brings a particular message. Every emotion actually has something to inform you about. So, for example, when you feel angry, anger is a natural reaction when you see or hear or believe that an evil act, something wrong, something bad is happening or has been done. And therefore you feel angry. So next time when you feel angry, the better question to ask is, what is the wrong here? What is the evil I believe has happened? Because anger is just to draw your attention to, hey, something has happened and that something is wrong, that something is evil. Every emotion has a message. Do you know what message each emotion brings to you when it pops up? The second reason why you need emotions is because emotions actually give you energy, or it removes energy from you. Some even go as far as saying the word emotion. The word E there represents energy. And every emotion either gives you energy or removes energy from you. For example, back to our anger emotion. When you feel angry, you actually have an extra dose of energy. I love the Incredible Hulk because the Incredible Hulk is a wonderful example of how anger makes you extra strong, gives you extra energy. But why? Why does anger give you extra energy? Simple. Because anger highlights what is wrong, what is evil, and calls you to take action. And you need that extra strength, you need that extra energy to overcome evil, to take necessary action to stop something wrong. So every emotion would either give you energy or remove energy from you. For example, when you're sad, your energy level goes down. Now, why does sadness remove energy from you? Because in times of sadness, you actually most probably have experienced loss. And the best way to deal with loss is to sit down and to feel the loss, to acknowledge the loss, to recognize the loss, to be thankful for what you had, which now you no longer have. You need some time alone. And for that to happen, the easiest way is to remove certain amount of energy from your life so that you can sit down, so that you can be quiet, so that you can cry, so that you can think back and be grateful. Third reason why you need emotions is because not only do emotions give you important information, not only do emotions either give you energy or remove energy from you, but emotions many a times give you clues as to what you need to do next, as to action that you need to take. Now, when you feel angry, the greatest desire, the greatest action you want to take is to destroy, to break, to kick, to punch, to shout. Why? Because these are all actions that most probably will be necessary to overcome certain evil or certain wrong. So listen to yourself. Listen and pay attention to how you are reacting to your emotions, because most probably some of that reaction is actually clues from your emotions as to what you need to do next. So thanks for watching this video. I hope now you appreciate every one of your emotions, and you begin now to see your emotions as help, as aid, as partners in your life's journey, not something that is difficult or not important and you just want to put it aside, but to embrace and welcome each emotion as your partner in life, working with you to help you be successful.